Well, it's like a lumpy old small block with a big cam in it, rocking and rolling. This is a an old 300. I mean, you know, it's an Atlantic. It's the split chassis where the axles can come out. So I'm just sitting down flat here. I have a cracked arc magnet in this. This is one of my mules, so I'm just using what I have laying around. And I had some trouble getting it going, but we got it going. It's sitting at 2.5 volts at a lumpy idle. But I don't know. Do you think it's got the poop? Does it have the poop to pull anything? Could it pull anything? Oh yeah, it'll pull the hair off of Daddy's chest. Oh yeah, it's a Hummer. That's only 5 volts. That's only 5 volts. I'm blipping it off of 20. It is awesome. I think it's going to be awesome. And it never went over 1.5, I think. Now, here you got to see the arrangement. This is one of my unique setups. The arc magnets are all the same. The castings are all the same. But one thing you notice is here, the width of that magnet, that side magnet, the width of this side magnet, these are called booster magnets. Fat man, medium, thin man. Don't know why. The thin man runs pretty good. I put the thin man here because it will be likely the lowest power. I'm not sure, but I think it will be the lowest power. All I did was I put brushes that I had laying around and some new springs. Boom. It's alive. Okay. Now, engine's got to have a chassis. This is the chassis I've put together. It was an old Link, and I've converted it to knuckle because most everything I have is knuckle. I'm leaving this guy Link. I'm hoping I can get that broken loose so it works well. I do have another Link couple chassis like that I can substitute if I have to. I notice he's got a little bent in. I'm going to flatten that out. But this is my latest and greatest board. I'm printing a couple of more right now to able to mount these things in a modular way, which I think is really cool. And now, so this thing will just bolt on like normal. I'm not going to put anything up front yet. I'm going to start with the motor and the DC fields and get it to run. That's it. That's the game plan. We'll do that today. It's 3:30. If possible, I have another chassis over there ready to go. I'll try to see if we can get that. Maybe a 290. I don't know what. Okay. So I'm going to put this, finish putting this piece together. This is the power distribution panel. That's going to take all the juice up from here and distribute it out. All it's going to do is go to the motor and then to the motor controller and into the motor. May not even do headlights, okay? We want to get this done and running and tested and feel really good about where we are. All right. I'd have this chassis I wanted to use with this guy because this is clearly, right, the old way. But as you know, this chassis needs some work done on it. I'll see if I have time. If not, I may have to substitute. But in any case, that's the idea. Here I have another one that is also converted to Link, and it's going to be used on something. So I've got at least 4 chassis right now sitting here. I got 4 chassis, and I'm going to try to put engines on them, like soon. Some today, some tomorrow, whatever it takes. Okay, that's the game plan. Later.